What are you pulling me over for?
Hey there,
I wasn't going off the speed limit, so what's up?
Hey there, Officer Stutz, Tacoma PD board. The reason for the stop is that you have a headlight out.
Yeah, they're not out. They're just wrong over this place.
No.
So what else?
So that one is on and that one is off. So do you have your driver's license, registration, insurance on you?
Is that what you mean? Why are you pulling me over for?
Yep.
Why are you pulling me over for? I will not show you that.
I already told you why I was pulling you over.
Why are you pulling me over for? Say it again one more time for me.
I already pulled you over.
Get the light of my
I already
face.
told
What are you
you.
pulling me over for?
It's your lights. Okay, do you have your driver's license, registration, insurance on you?
Duh.
I already told you. What do you mean,
Don't
duh?
look at my car. You do not have a warrant to search my car, so stop.
I'm not
now.
searching your car. I'm just
You're searching
looking.
my car with your light. Turn it off now, or you will not get my license. Thank you.
Okay, you don't get to.
I say no. This is a mutual relationship. Stop looking at my car.
No, there's not. You are being pulled over.
Stop looking
by
in
the
my
police.
car. Stop looking in my car.
Okay.
Are you done looking at my
I'll
car?
take your-
Are you done looking at my car?
I'll take your driver's
Are you done looking at my
license.
car? Are you done looking at my car?
I'll take your
keep the
driver's
camera on. Keep the
license.
camera on. Take your hand off your camera now. I don't care.
You know
Call
what,
back up.
give it a
Are you looking?
second.
Are you done looking at my car? Yes or no? Are
Okay.
you done looking at my car?
I'll
Are
take
you
your
done looking
driver's
at my car?
license.
Are you done looking at my car? I will not show you my driver's license unless you're done illegally looking in my car.
Okay, how much you had to drink
Are
tonight?
you done looking at my car? None. Are you done looking at my car?
Okay.
Are you done looking at my car?
Any
Yes or
drugs?
no? Are you done looking at my car? Yes or no? Then you will not see
Just
my
routine.
license. Call whoever you need to.
Okay.
You
so
will not see my license if you're done looking at my car. Are you done looking at my car,
Okay.
Jay Stotts?
Okay.
Jay
So here's the
Stotts,
deal.
are you done looking at my
You
car?
will show me your driver's license,
yes or, no?
or you will be
yes
under
or no?
arrest.
Yes
Do you
or no?
understand?
No, I will not be, because you did not tell me what you're
Okay.
illegally looking at my car. Do not put your hand in my car and you're doing it illegally.
Okay.
You are doing an illegal search of my car. Do
Okay.
you want my license or not? License or
So,
not?
okay.
Put your hand in my car and you are illegally searching my car.
Okay. You
Jay
will be
Stotts
under arrest
is
if you do not
illegally
give me
searching
your
my
driver's
car.
license.
He's
You have
illegally
about
searching
10
my car.
seconds to do
no,
so.
I don't got. You got 5 seconds to tell me you're done searching my car.
Okay.
Are you done searching my car? Yes
what
or no?
drugs have you used today?
None.
Okay.
He's searching my car illegally. Lori, record now. Screen record now.
Okay. Search.
Screen record now. Shut up.
Sure seems like you've been using
He is
something.
searching my car illegally.
Okay.
Jay Stotts has
Driver's
his camera
license,
on and he's illegally
registration,
searching my car.
insurance.
Are you done illegally searching my car?
I didn't search your car.
Are you
I'm
done
standing
searching
outside
my
your car.
car? You will not see my driver's license unless you're done searching my car.
Okay. You don't get to.
Do you
don't
want
get
to?
to tell
Yes,
me
I can,
that.
because I am a citizen. You want to see my license or not? You will not see it if you continue to search my car. You want to see my license, yes or no? Yes or no?
Okay. Give me your driver's license.
There we
or
go.
You will be
Say
under
what you
arrest.
want. Don't do nothing
Okay.
illegal. He's looking at my car illegally. He will not see my license. Lord, get here now. 19 Ainsworth, Jay Stotts is illegally searching my car. He will not see my license because he continues to illegally search my car.
Okay.
There's nothing in my car
Listen,
but trash.
listen,
Shut
give me
up,
your
stop
driver's
talking to me.
license,
I have the
registration,
right
insurance,
to
or you will
reserve.
be under
Silence.
arrest.
I have the reserve.
Okay.
I have the right to reserve.
Exercise that
silence.
right and give me your
Shut
driver's
up.
license.
No.
Cool?
Because you're
Okay.
illegally searching my car,
All right.
so no. You
All
are
right.
breaking my
guys, we're just
amendments,
gonna arrest
so
her.
I would not show you.
She's under arrest for failed to stop an idiot. Okay. You are under arrest. Get out of the car. You are under arrest. I will break your window. I will break your window. Get out of your car. I will break your window if you don't get out of the car. Okay, you have 5 seconds. I will break your window to get you out of the car. Okay. Do you understand that I will break your window? Okay. Unlock the car.
No. You wanted my license? I'm not doing Lori, he's about to put his hands on me. Take me down. I'm safe.
This is hard to do.
I'm safe. Help me, Lori. I'm not safe. Put his hands on me.
All right.
Lori, help me. Lori, help me. Put their hands on me. Lori, they're about to put their hands on me.
Okay.
Lori, they're about to put their
Undo
hands on
your
me.
seatbelt.
Lori, they're about to put their hands on me. Lori, they're trying to arrest me. No, you can't arrest me.
Doc, you're under arrest.
Lori, help me. Lori, help me. Lori, help me.
Hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Lori, help me. Help me, please help me. Help me, come on, Lisa. Lisa, make it stop.
You're gonna be fine.
Stay over there, please. Stay over there, please. Stay over there.
All right. Let's stand up, okay?
Supervisor, please. Somebody got it. Stand over there and ensure.
back off.
But that's
I'm just observing. That's all I'm doing.
Yes, but not interfere with our ability to protect our
Nobody's
job.
observing.
Yes, you are.
You're talking to me. You're interfering with
Not
yourself.
interfering
You're
with
interfering.
me.
I need to be able to observe. This is someone I know.
Okay.
This is someone I know.
So I understand. I do explain to you once you guys all back off. All right.
We have to take our attention off her.
That's what you want to me from. I'm not doing anything destructive.
No, that's called
Yes, you are.
obstruction.
You're standing
It's
right
not.
behind
Yes, it is.
You're right behind us, man.
Look, nobody's obstructing anything. I need to be able to see
You can see it from over there, man. I understand.
Where?
My hands up.
On the
Tell me
sidewalk. Please
again.
go to the sidewalk. Go stand on the sidewalk. Both of you, please go stand on
Because
the
the
sidewalk.
sidewalk is too far.
No, it's not.
Yes, they were.
No, they
Ma'am, I'm gonna start
What is
pushing
it
you back.
that you? What is it that you need to do that you can't do with me standing
I'm
right
not
here?
doing
It's called obstruction.
It needs to be moved.
No, it's not.
I asked an honest question with my hands
And
up.
what right do you have to know that?
I'm a citizen of the
Then you
country.
don't have. She's a private citizen. We'll figure out how to see. Okay.
Look,
She's 100% wrong.
I want to make sure this.
Or something, okay? You're gonna be
Or
detained to put.
something that we made up.
Yeah, detained, put in the
That
back
you
of the
made up.
vehicle, okay? Alrighty, thank you.
Now. Call Julius now.
Things. All we are asking is to be observers.
Apparently, I think they kick studs or something.
She goes across the car. She kicks me.
Do you want that? Whose is this?
Oh, that's mine. How did that get off there? Did you take her stuff off her? No. She's under arrest, so we can just take all her stuff. I need her ID. I don't know how old she is. Hey, how old is she?
Fear not she.
Okay, how old is this person?
I'm going to say 26, somewhere in there.
Okay, and you're just a friend?
Yeah, this is a person in my community who I'm a friend of.
Okay.
They called me concerned that they were getting pulled over. Now that we've got a 10th police car
So a supervisor
for
has,
this.
a supervisor has to show up.
This is like you've got like some sort of terroristic operation going on for a potential DUI.
I told you to move your car. It's parked in front of a fire hydrant close to the intersection, too far from the curb, okay?
I'll move my car. That's fine. I'm just saying
Okay.
this is like really wow.
I'm not being detained, right?
No, you're free to leave. Don't have to answer any questions.
All right. I don't really feel comfortable doing it.
Okay, that's fine. Make sure you look both ways. Just leave it. Just yeah.
So backing up Stutz on a possible DUI. She's refusing to get out of the car. So he advises her she's under arrest. Breaks the window. She won't get out. Pull her out. As soon as he pulls her out, she ends up kind of trying to spin away, get her down, get her under control. And then these people show up and start jumping into our business as well. Oh, there's so many of you, and there's so many of her, and we need this, and we need that. So that's the basic gist of it.
So-
No real force used, just pull her out.
Just yank her out onto the ground. I broke her window. She's under arrest for assault 3, resisting arrest.
So they're at who?
Me. She went across the car. She kicked. My body camera fell off. It was on the ground over there. So resisting, obstruction, failed to stop an ID, DUI, and assault 3.
Get away from me.
I'm Sergeant Spangler, Tacoma Police. I'm just here to talk to you about what happened. I'm not here to investigate anything. So what's going on?
He pulled me over. He said it's because of my headlights. And then he said it was a DUI. But he didn't drunk test, alcohol test.
Uh-huh.
I told
But
him.
you're required to provide ID when you get stopped by the
I told him that
police,
he was
right?
searching my car illegally. I told him
How is he searching your car?
because he started putting the flashlight in my back window.
Okay.
So he was searching my car. He didn't answer.
You mean just looking in your car from the outside
And I
on a
asked him
traffic
to
stop?
stop, and he kept doing that.
But he's allowed to do that.
In what law?
It's a traffic stop.
It doesn't matter. You're not allowed to search my
Yeah,
vehicle.
it's not a
without
search.
warrant.
He's in.
No, he was searching my vehicle, his light, multiple times.
Do you still have your ID on you?
No, it might be in my purse. It's in my wallet.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
And I was just looking for it, and then he broke my window after that.
Thank you. All right, so they're gonna get you outside and just pat you down.
I don't have any weapons. Touch me, please. Are you a wrestler?
Nope.
Oh, I could take you. What are you, 135?
Yep.
You might be a little racist, but it's not bad.
Whatever you want to call it.
No, that's what it is. It's a lack of knowing. People
think
are
so.
only racist because they don't know. What do you think you know about black people that you can be racist to them for? White
What do
people
you-
are hood, and we still... Everybody
You gonna
still...
let me talk?
White people- No, I'm asking questions. You saying nothing.
Well, I'm trying to
Answer.
talk to you and see you're doing
Oh, you don't want to
pretty
answer. I
unprofessional
get.
things.
I don't need to be
I'm trying talk to you,
unprofessional.
but then
I don't need to be
just
professional. You're
talking.
locking me up. I'm
Okay.
a citizen. Why do I need to be professional for? This
Well,
is not
no,
a job
you're
interview.
actually in custody now.
Oh, and what? What about it? I can stop having a conversation with you. That's fine.
That's fine.
Okay, great.
Probably prefer it, honestly.
Oh, great. Me too. I would hate to talk to a racist, but you probably are, right? Yeah, I know. Clocked you.
Have fun in jail.
Hey, 135.
What was that?
135. I'm pretty sure you weigh more than 135.
Yeah, weigh 185.
In the dynamic investing industry, staying on top of the core concepts of sustainable investing
Are you okay, ma'am? Ma'am?
I don't use ma'am. I use they, he pronouns. My name is True. What's your sign? If you don't...
Aries?
You're Aquarius?
Aries.
Oh, I knew you were Aries. Can you take me to TG? I don't feel safe here. I'm trans. I'm not safe at a Catholic hospital.
Let me talk to my partner. Give me a few seconds, okay?
Okay, don't tell him I'm trans, but...
What's that?
Don't tell him I'm trans.
I'm just gonna tell him, like, you prefer TG.
Please and thank you.
They said, like, he's gonna process the DUI here.
They're gonna test my alcohol level?
Yeah, I will explain. Let me get out of the vehicle and I'll explain, okay?
Okay.
While at the hospital, this suspect, whose legal name is Miriam but they go by True, kicked an officer in the chest multiple times. Their blood alcohol content was found to be .033, which is under the legal limit. However, they tested positive for presence of THC. They were charged with 2 counts of felony third-degree assault, 2 counts of resisting, 1 count of obstruction, 1 count of failure to stop or give information, and 1 count of driving under the influence of drugs. They are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court.